Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This next-generation smartphone promises to elevate your mobile experience with cutting-edge features and a sleek design. Let's dive into what makes the S25 Ultra stand out from the crowd. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a sophisticated flat design with rounded corners, giving it a modern and elegant appearance. One of the most noticeable changes is the slimmer bezels, which provide a more immersive and sleek look. The bottom layout remains similar to the S24 Ultra, including a USB-C port, S Pen slot, speaker, mic, and SIM card slot. These design enhancements not only contribute to the phone's aesthetic appeal, but also improve its functionality and user experience. Moving on to the software front, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces One UI 7, which brings a host of new features and enhancements. One of the standout additions is the new charging notification, offering a more informative and visually appealing way to monitor your device's charging status. The redesigned app icons, particularly for the calendar and reminder apps, offer a fresh and modern look. These redesigned icons not only improve aesthetics but also enhance usability, making it easier to navigate and access your apps. Additionally, the calendar app now includes customizable widgets that allow you to personalize backgrounds and shapes, adding a touch of individuality to your daily planning. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has also made its appearance on the FCC, revealing key specifications that have tech enthusiasts buzzing. All S25 models support wireless charging, maintaining the 15W capacity seen in previous iterations. There was some confusion about reduced speeds, but it's been clarified that this applies only to reverse wireless charging. Moreover, ultra-wideband connectivity is available on the S25 Plus and Ultra models, enhancing connectivity options for users. These details from the FCC listings provide a clearer picture of what to expect from the S25 series, reinforcing its position as a top-tier smartphone. Lastly, let's talk about the leadership guiding Samsung's mobile division. Tim Rowe remains at the helm despite mixed opinions about his tenure. His decisions, such as discontinuing the Note series and the perceived slower pace of foldable innovation, have faced some criticism. However, it's important to note that flagship phone sales have increased under his leadership, indicating a positive reception from the market overall. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be a significant leap forward in smartphone technology. With its sleek flat design, slimmer bezels, and thoughtful bottom layout, it is designed to be both stylish and functional. The introduction of One UI 7 brings new features like a charging notification and redesigned app icons, enhancing the user experience. Key specs revealed in the FCC listings, such as wireless charging and ultra-wideband connectivity, underscore the S25 Ultra's advanced capabilities. Thanks for watching.